Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find all servers and Grow a Garden Roblox. So first you need to add an extension called BT Roblox. So you have to search for BT Roblox right here, and then you should see this BT Roblox extension. Tap this one. It will take you directly to another page, and all you need to do is tap on Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. Now you should see that it is now starting to download. Go to the extension icon and then pin this one, which is right here. And after that, you have to go back to your Roblox. Now this time, you need to refresh and look for Grow a Garden right here. Click this one. So once you're here in the Grow a Garden server, what you get to do is you have to scroll down till you see this other servers right here. Here you need to tap this and then select ascending. So you need to select ascending because if you pick ascending, you will see the oldest running servers first, meaning servers that have been active for a long time. These are what people usually call old servers. So go to other servers, ascending shows you old servers first. And that's how you easily find old servers and Grow a Garden Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.